Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for always coming back. If you're coming across this channel for the very first time, please do well to smash the subscribe button and make sure to turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified when I have a new video. So guys, today I'm going to be using cucumber and aloe vera to make hair growth spray, which will promote hair growth, stop hair breakage, and also stop dandruff. So if this is something you're interested in, please keep watching. So this is cucumber. Just like your skin needs hydration, your scalp also needs hydration, and cucumber juice helps a lot with that. So I'm also going to be using aloe vera. As we all know, aloe vera is a perfect moisturizer for both the skin and the hair. So you can use this fresh aloe vera for this treatment, or if you have aloe vera cubes in your freezer, you just need to take 1 or 2 cubes out and you use it for this treatment, and it's still going to give you the same result as the fresh one. So here I'm just going to cut the cucumber, and I'm going to be using half of the cucumber. I'm just going to go ahead and chop it into smaller pieces.